Coriol Ruidens. My name is Diana Paola Chaparro. The company you select is the PTAR of the municipality of Aguasul. Since this generates with water discharges on an important water resource since animals are supplied in this hydrographic basin. In addition to this, it affects the public health of the community that is adjacent to the river. The letter specifies the following items of the reason for where the clean word be made. Number 1. And the passage of the maximum permissible limits set out in Resolution 0631 of 17 March 2015, which establishes the maximum permissible parameters and values for sport discharges to surface water bodies and public storage system and other provisions. Number 2. Generating Odors Resolution 1541, which establishes the permissible levels of air quality or emission, the procedure for the evaluation of activities that generate offenses, adults, and lays down other provisions. Based on this environmental problem as a mitigation alternative, I would that propose a review of each of the treatments that the PTAR has verified its operation, proceeding to implement biological treatments to reduce the pollution load. Thank you.